Welcome to Workday. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to approve time for my direct reports. When a direct report submits a time entry, I receive an inbox notification. To view these time entries, I'll click the inbox icon. Here, I have several time entry approval tasks from my direct reports. When I select the time entry inbox item, I can review the hours and type of time worked. For further information about this time entry submission, I can look at the Entries to Approve section. This details the employee-specific hours, allowing me to drill in to view more information about each time block by clicking the magnifying glasses Related Actions. The Reported tab displays information that the employee submitted. The Calculated tab displays calculations run behind the scenes that categorize the time as regular, overtime, and double time. The History tab displays the date and time the time block was entered, approved, or modified, and by whom. The status reflects whether the time has been submitted or approved. Once I've completed my review, I can choose to approve, send back, or deny this employee's time card from the buttons at the bottom of the screen. If I deny or send back the time entry for revisions, I may need to enter comments. This time, I'll approve the entry. Now, when I navigate to the Archive tab, I can view the process history and verify that the time has been approved. Managers also have the option to review, edit, and approve workers' time in bulk with the Review Time report. This report allows managers to view a summary of their team's weekly time, or time for an entire pay period. It also allows for quick navigation between the workers and the ability to drill into a single worker's time. I've navigated to the Review Time report. On this first page, I can filter workers I'd like to see. Depending on my security as a manager, different filters may be available to use. I can choose to review only my direct reports by keeping the Review My Direct Reports Only checkbox selected. I can manually choose workers by unchecking this box and selecting individual workers from the Workers prompt. I'll keep this box checked and then click OK. Here's the Summary and Details page, which displays a table listing my direct reports. Along the top of the page, I see the number of employees with hours to approve and the number of employees with unsubmitted hours. I can move back and forth between periods, which in this case represents weeks. Looking at the Position column, a plus sign will display here if one of my direct reports has multiple positions. I also see a breakdown of employees' hours by approval and submission status, as well as the breakdown columns. This shows the breakdown of hours by categories that are configured by your organization. Indicators shown as yellow flags appear next to workers with unsubmitted hours or no entered hours. I can select individual employees or choose the Select All checkbox, which will allow me to approve all my direct reports at once. I'll click an employee link to view the details page for that specific employee. From here, I see the weekly totals from the employee's time entry template, as well as their daily totals breakdown. Because this worker has multiple positions, I also see an Other Position Totals button. When I click this button, it gives me a view of the hours this worker logged for their other position. Below are grids that show all entries and those to be approved. I can navigate between employees using the up and down arrows. I can also choose to enter time on behalf of the employee directly from this report and approve the current employee by clicking the Approve button at the bottom of the page. Once approved, the corresponding inbox items are removed from the user's inbox. This completes the demonstration. Thank you for using Workday.